Hi there. Welcome back to Maniac Math with Mrs. Curl. I hope you have a jacket. All right, if you're all warmed up, then at the top of your page where it says title of video, you need to write multiplication number 7. You can, of course, abbreviate it to MULT period number 7. Directly below that where it says important term, write multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. When you get that done, come on back and we'll jump right into it. All right, so for problem number 1 here, we're moving on to 4-digit multiplication. Remember, the only thing you have to write is whatever is in this green box. So our first problem is, whoops, get your pen, Mrs. Curl. Our first problem is 3,672 times 3. Now, if we wanted to, we could, remember, repeated addition of the same number, write this number down 3 times. But that's a lot of work. This is a lot shorter. It's a shortcut for adding a whole bunch of numbers that are the same. So, setting it up like we usually do, mark off your columns and give yourself a little workspace. And away we go. 2 times 3 is 6. We didn't need our workspace because it's just a single-digit number. All right, we've used the 2. Now we need to go on to 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. That is a 2-digit number, so we're going to write it like this, 21. Can you see the 21 right there? Okay. We've used the 7. Next we have 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. We write the number 20 like this. 2 and a 0. We've used the 6. On to the last one. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So our answer is 11,016. All right. Here's the next one. You know what? I'm going to change the color of this yellow. It is a little bit too light for me. Maybe we'll make it orange. Set this up. Yeah, that's easier to see. Much better. Here's my little workspace. Okay. 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. We're going to write 48. There's the number 48. Okay, done with that 8. Now 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. So we're going to write it like this, 58. Done with the 9. 0 times 6 is 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Alrighty. And 5 times 6, this is the last one we have to multiply, so we're just going to put the whole answer down. 5 times 6 is 30. Whoa, what happened to my 3? There we go. So our answer is 30,588. And away we go to our next one. Let's set it on up. Whoa. My lines are a little bit crooked there. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay. 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So we're going to write 28, just like we always do. Done with the 7. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. And you can even cross this out once you're done with it, just so it doesn't confuse you. We're done with the 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15. So we're going to write 15. So we've got 15 right here. We can cross out that because we just used it. We're done with it. Okay. Last but not least, we have 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. And since we have no other numbers to multiply, we can just put the whole answer 17 right there. So our answer is 17,548. Okay, one more problem we're going to do together. 9,105 times 7. All right, let's start right here. 5 times 7 is 35. 35. So, we just write 35 like this. Well, the 3 is more towards the left and the 5 is towards the right. 35. All right, done with the 5. 0 times 7 is 0, plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Done with the 0. 1 times 7 is 7. It's only one digit, so we don't even have to put anything over here. 9 times 7 is 63, and since there's nothing else left to multiply, we can just put 63 right here. So our answer is 63,735. All right, the next two problems you're going to do on your own. I will go ahead and set this up for you, even though I'm pretty sure by now you can do it by yourself. So problem number 5 is 6,093. 6,093, and I don't have a comma there. Let me put one in there real quick. 6,093 times 4. All right, and the last one, I'm going to let you set this one up all by yourself. The last one, number 6, is 7,420 times 8. You can do this. Give it your best shot.